you seen? That's where he met me. That's where we started. That's where we started. I think that is when we started.
I have nothing to say.
अच्छा आप वीडियो ले रहे हैं हमें कुछ नहीं पता क्या कर रहे हैं
Vishwin. Oh, that was actually really good.
What was that? What did you say?
So how was your journey, ma'am?
We can speak in English, right? We can speak in English. Yeah.
Yeah. So sorry, you're asking us how was our journey? Our journey was spectacular. It was really, really good actually. It was
Yeah.
a beautiful. I had a very bad joke, but I can't crack that right now. It's an internal joke.
Yeah. His journey was great. You know, Ritvik is like a reality champion. He walks on set like this every day. He's excited. He's pumped. He wants to win.
Yeah.
You know, Ritvik has that mentality, and it's a good attitude to have.
Well, yeah, it was a lot of fun to be honest, and I think I'm glad that I did it with friends. I know so many of them on the season. Ravi, Vahi, Shivani, I know for so many years. So I think that's exactly what made the journey even more better, even more memorable. So.
What about you, Dubes?
So the most terrific journey, I think. मैं इतने apprehensions और speculations के बाद finally इस show के लिए हाँ कहा, and I'm glad that I did that. I would have really missed on a huge opportunity to find myself अगर मैंने ये show नहीं किया होता तो. I'm just glad that I did it.
I agree. Sorry, I just realized the camera was on me. I was chewing gum.
So it was all about show. How was Spain? कितना explore किया Spain?
स्पेन सबसे ज़्यादा अगर किसी ने एक्सप्लोर किया तो वो शिवानी है.
शिवानी,
उनसे
बहुत
पूछिए.
explore
शिवानी ने बहुत एक्सप्लोर किया स्पेन.
उसने कुछ
Spanish
गड्ढे
food,
खोद के she's become an archaeologist.
Spanish beaches, Spanish boys, Spanish food.
Same thing. No difference.
So yeah.
No, I mean, come on. You get an opportunity to not just do a once-in-a-lifetime show like Fear Factor. When you do it in a beautiful country like Spain, it's a no-brainer. So I think for all of us, it was an experience that we'll remember for the rest of our lives because of the bond that we built with each other. We've made friends for life. We've done things that we would probably never do again. Some of us more than others. But I mean, you get an offer like Fear Factor and you say yes. They ask you to do it in Spain and you say yes.
And they asked you to do it with Ritvik, you definitely say yes.
मतलब हर चीज़ तो आपको लाइफ में अच्छी नहीं मिल सकती ना. आपको एक्सपीरियंसेस भी मिले हैं, फिर उसके बाद आप चाहोगे कि आपको अच्छे कंटेस्टेंट्स भी मिले हैं, तो ऐसा नहीं होता ना. So अभी कुछ चीज़ें challenges थी, मगर फिर भी I went ahead with the show. I mean, Ritvik was there as a co-contestant, but
Yeah.
it was very difficult. Yeah.
Very difficult.
Very difficult to say yes once I got to
She
know कि
really
Ritvik
can't
भी.
say this. Coincidentally, she's been with me on all my shows.
Every
मैंने
reality
जितने
show,
reality
Bad
shows
karma है.
every reality show I have done, this guy has been there. I don't know why.
He's been stalking you.
Yeah, totally.
Yeah. I mean, it's just, I think it's just something that will go with me through my career now. So if I do another reality show, he has to be there.
I will definitely
Otherwise,
be.
I just
I'll
won't
be.
say yes.
Yeah, I'll be there.
So जैसे आपने अभी challenges की बात की, कितना challenging था आपके लिए ये show?
चैलेंजिंग हर लिहाज से बहुत चैलेंजिंग था, और चैलेंज शो शुरू होने से पहले ही शुरू हो गया था. ये डिसाइड करना कि ये शो करना है, कर पाऊंगा कि नहीं कर पाऊंगा, whether they'll be मतलब will I be able to survive in the show also or not. तो उस तरीके के स्पेकुलेशंस, उस तरीके के ख्यालों से बैटल करना पहला चैलेंज वो था. उसके बाद जो स्टंट शुरू हुए वो तो मतलब they were challenging to another level altogether. And when you see the show, you will know that how this show is also very evolutionary for the contestants. वो आपको पता चलेगा देखिए.
How challenging? I'll be honest with you when it comes to the challenging front or the challenging bit of the show. मेरे लिए मैं जब ये शो शुरू कर रहा था तो I didn't think of it as something जो मैंने पहले नहीं किया हो या ऐसा कुछ मेरे सामने आएगा जो मेरे लिए बहुत difficult होगा. I was very linear in terms of कि जो आएगा उसे देखा जाएगा, and I wasn't really scared of things that I was going to do. मुझे नहीं लग रहा था, shut up. मुझे नहीं लग रहा था कि ऐसा कुछ होगा which will make me really go, damn, will I be or will I not be able to do it? But yes, there have been times in the show जिसके बारे में हम आपको फिलहाल नहीं बता सकते. There have been times in the show जो stunts which did make us go like कि why the hell are we here? हम क्यों कर रहे हैं? हमें इससे अच्छा मर जाना. It was the worst experience when it comes to that one particular stunt जिसके बारे में हम ज़्यादा नहीं बता सकते आपको.
I think for me, that when people ask me what are your fears, I don't really have a list. So I can't really point out this scares me, that scares me. But one thing that, because these are things that we're not doing in everyday life. So you can't really compare it to your everyday life. It's something that's a completely different experience. What was very similar for me in terms of my life as well as this show was the fear of failing. I didn't want to fail. So that's what scared me more than you know, doing stunts underwater or with creepy crawlies or with height. The most scary thing for me was failing a challenge. And I think that's something that I did really hard. I don't want to say too much, but that's something that's really tough for me in life. When I
But
when
she
I fail
played,
at
I have to
something,
tell you, Shivani played really well when it was the most important for her to.
yeah.
Like she did, and वो इतना crucial moment था, वो भी आपको हम नहीं बता सकते. But she played so well. She was
तुमको
brilliant.
अमूल दूध पता है क्या? बिन बोले सब बोले, वो भी हम नहीं बता सकते, ये भी नहीं बताते, बताते बता सब कुछ दिया.
Yeah, I think that's really important to just be able to. I don't want to fail at this, but even if you do, how you manage that. That's what I think I learned a lot from in this show.
So who was the biggest competitor?
As in, you have to be very specific about that question. Who wanted to win the most? Who always
Such
wants to
a-
win the most? Or who was the surprise package? Oh, fuck up.
They're looking at Rohit sir.
Yeah, oh shit.
Look, with a show like this, as I've said before, it doesn't matter how strong you are,
Yeah.
how brave you are, how fast you are, how talented you are,
How experienced you
how
are.
experienced you are. It depends on, in that moment, who you're up against, what happens on the day. It's
Yeah.
so unpredictable. It's your frame of mind, it's your mental strength, it's so many factors play a part. And honestly, I have to say, from a contestant's perspective, that there were so many surprises.
Oh
There were,
my god.
I mean, it was just like, what just happened? It was so many of those moments happened in this season. And the thing to remember is never underestimate anyone or anything.
Yeah.
When you watch this show, that's what you'll take away. Yeah.
So even हमने इंस्टा पे भी देखा काफी इंपॉर्टेंट डांस वगैरह गाने म्यूजिक सब चल रहे थे. So
Yeah.
देखिए गाने के लिए ये थी, नाचने के लिए मैं था.
Oh, please. नाचने के लिए मोनिका था.
मोनिका
थी.
थी.
Sorry. हिंदी के लिए मैंने.
माफ कर दो. बट हिंदी फिल्में पूरी करूंगी
She
मैं.
speaks excellent Marathi.
Hey, I just did a whole lot of bites in Hindi and I was really good. Right?
When she go to
Are you
New York,
ready now?
Yeah, because you two are here in your suits. Excuse me.
Okay. All right, yeah, but yeah. So thank you.
last thing, what do you want to say to your fans?
Yeah, go ahead.
We want you to watch this season of Fear Factor because it's going to by far be the most exciting season that is coming your way. Number 8, it starts on July 22nd. Please share this incredible experience with us that we had in Spain. 9 p.m. Saturday and Sunday on Colors TV. If you want to see me, be there. If you want to see these guys,
well, be there.
I mean,
Be there.
you'll love
And if you don't want to see her, still be there.
I'll be there because we are there.
There's no.